honestly, the more you do it, the easier it gets. And I'm not scared of the machine. And I know that some people, they start scared, but honestly, after a few hours of speed sewing, you kind of just zone into it, and then it becomes second nature. And a little blip or a wobble somewhere doesn't worry you.
Yeah, I was going to say, I think people would be worried about going wrong, but
if
it's fine.
But if you haven't got a set image in your head, a set outcome, then there's no wrong in there.
And you're the artist, only you know.
Yeah.
And it doesn't matter, does it?
Yeah.
It's all about the end result.
No, it's all about the process.
It's all about the process.
It's all about the process. End result doesn't matter.
Okay.
So if I was worried about the end result, then I could panic. But if I enjoy the journey, then the result is just where I get to. It's less important than the atmosphere of this, the sound of this, and whether or not I'm enjoying it. And if it all sounds nice, so if there was a thread about to break or the machine needed oil or something like that, it would sound just slightly jarring, and the whole experience wouldn't be as great for me.